Alright guys, ended up going with pink.
You thought I was paying?
Hi guys! Say hi! Okay, he said hi. Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. But right now I have my nail appointment at 3:20 and it's currently 3:25.
Bitch!
However, I have to get ready for work because I have work at 5:30. So, but I'm just gonna be getting ready now for work / my appointment. Alright, so that's pretty much all we're gonna do for the makeup look today. Just a little concealer and moisturizer. I'm wearing this cute hat, and then I'm just wearing my regular uniform. Quick bun. But yeah, so we're gonna get our nails done. I'm so freaking excited for vacation. The nails I want to do is something super simple. Like, let me show you guys what I'm planning on doing. I'm thinking about just doing like white short nails like this. It's just white short nails. I might even do shorter than that. I had long nails. Like, I don't know if you guys saw my last nail set. It was super long. So I kind of want to do something shorter because, I don't know. I was just going to paint my nails, but then I was like, oh child. And my toes are white, so I think I might just get white nails, or I might do short baby pink. And I'm looking at this girl's page for braids, and I just texted her because I freaking love the way she does them. Like, look at these braids. Look at how cute they are. I need braids. Look at I might get my hair done. It's like very last minute because I go on vacation this Saturday and it's Wednesday now. And I asked if she has any availability tomorrow morning because Friday I have my lashes done in the morning, and then I'm also getting my eyebrows done and my toes done. So I don't know how I'd be able to fit hair into that day. And I ordered this bag on Amazon. Let me show you guys it. For vacation. Today says arriving 4 to 7. Alright y'all, we are here. Alright guys, ended up going with pink. We're almost done. Look how pretty the pink is. I'll put her Instagram and where I get my nails done. She does such an amazing job. Alright guys, these are how they came out. They're so freaking pretty. Like, look at how natural they are. Alright guys, I finished getting my nails done and now we're gonna go to work, and I'll talk to you guys probably when I come home or tomorrow. My package came in. I know I was talking to you guys yesterday about it. Tomorrow is gonna be such a busy day. I have my hair appointment. I ended up setting up an appointment with that girl I was telling you guys about yesterday at 10 o'clock, and then I have my nails at 1, and then I have my eyebrows at 8:30. So this is it right here. It looks really small. Okay, yeah, this thing is getting bigger and bigger. Okay, this oh my gosh, it's a little clip, right? I'll show you guys. It's a clip, and you know how usually you push this down? You have to like push it in. It's so freaking weird. Okay, this is how it looks. It's like folded low key, like child. But this is the backpack. I'm probably gonna start packing soon. So pretty much we're just going to start organizing my makeup and what I'm gonna put in the bag. I'm like low-key dreading packing because, like, ew, I low-key don't even want to pack today, not gonna lie. But I just came out of work and now I'm starting to pack.
11:39 p.m.
It's 11:39, about to be 12 a.m, literally midnight. And I came out of work at like 10:30, came home around like 10:45, took a shower.
Boring.
So I'm just starting to pack, and I wanted to show you guys like my way of packing, which makes it very easy. I like to put my outfits into section. So, and then this is its own outfit, so I'll put that in a Shein bag. This all right here, this white top goes with these brown like loose flowy pants and these green loose flowy pants. So this all right here is gonna go with a Shein bag. And these are my bathing suits with my cover up. So bathing suit 1, bathing suit 2, bathing suit 3, bathing suit 4, and then my cover up. So this is all gonna go into a Shein bag. That's currently what we're doing right now. We're gonna put stuff in baggies, and I'll set you guys up on the tripod and you guys can just kind of like watch me do this. Bro, there's no way. Okay, we're not gonna be able to fit this in there. There you go. Okay, so let's say this is all unpacking, right? Oh man, my bag's heavy. Y'all, so I just packed and my bag is mad heavy. And I didn't even put my laptop, I didn't put my charger, I didn't put my makeup, I didn't put my contacts. Like, Miss Girl, this is not it at all. Like, I think I overpacked. I think I put too much outfits because this is just annoying. Honestly, we're gonna leave it what it is now. I'm gonna pack my makeup and like my contacts and all that type of stuff, and I'm gonna put it in my mom's bag. Just because this video is not fitting me mine. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I'm getting my lashes and everything done. Good morning. So I just woke up. I'm so sad. My boys, my 2 little babies, they went to my grandma's house because since we're going on vacation tomorrow, we need someone to watch them. So sad. Look at they're really my wallpaper. But anyways, so let me tell you the plan for today. So I'm getting my eyelashes done because ew, like my lashes are like trash. Then I have my appointment for my hair at 3, and then I have my eyebrows at 8. So my hair's gonna be done around like 6, so I have like 2 hours kind of. And in those 2 hours, I'm gonna just freaking pack. I started packing last night, but I got so frustrated because of like how much I had to pack, and it was just annoying, and I was tired. Like, I just worked a 7-hour shift, and I just wanted to go to sleep. Like, I went to sleep at like 1 o'clock last night. I was just so irritated.
Boring.
Let's see what he's up to. I just wake up. You look cute.
What do you mean? You got the signal, son.
Anyways, yeah, so I gotta transfer this video to my computer, and then I'm just gonna edit this bad boy because I'm trying to get this video posted tonight. Okay, bye.
Bye, y'all.
So right now I'm about to go take a shower and wash my hair because, as you guys know, I have that hair appointment. Y'all, this is the situation. My hairstylist, or the girl who's gonna braid my hair, just canceled on me. And the reason why it's annoying is because my parents left this morning at 10, and any hair product, any like product I needed to use, I was supposed to put in that bag. But since I was getting braids, I was like, guys, I don't need to put anything in there. So I can't put the hair product in my bag because they're not travel size stuff. And with the bag that they have, they're paying like extra, therefore it doesn't have to be travel size. Honestly, I think I might just buy some product at Florida. When I'm there, I might just buy some hair product because we're going to the store anyways. Things happen for a reason, but like, I know it's not her fault. Alright, y'all, I did my hair. They're in braids now. I look like freaking girl from Polar Express. But now we're gonna go get our lashes done. Alright, y'all, I'm like 4 minutes away from my appointment. These are before, and I'll show you guys after. Alright, y'all, just got my lashes done. Look at how pretty. You didn't ask for extra peanut butter. It's okay. Extra peanut butter sauce. Apple pie.
You thought I was paying? Yasmina.
Avenida. Alright, we secured the bag. I got Dairy Queen because my breakfast this morning was nothing. Now I'm about to go get my toes done. Alright, y'all, we just got our eyebrows done. Look at how leaky they are. They kind of hurt, like when I touch it. Look at how slick they are. I freaking love them. Yeah, this is gonna conclude my vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.